Okay, we're somewhere in a market. There's a flower market right here. This is the circle right here, Rotunda. Rotunda de, we have the street sign right there. De Carlos de Maia right up there. And we're gonna just kind of show you around this whole area a little bit. Go into the circle, go around it a little bit, and just kind of show you the periphery part of this. And it's it's Wednesday evening, I believe, possibly Thursday. I'll have it in the left-hand corner, anyways. So let's go check it all out. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Oh, got some kind of mosquito. Okay, so this is Gobernador Jose Carlos de Maia, 1878 to 1921. So he was a governor of Macau. Okay, so that's who he is. So he was a governor about 100 years ago, and there's lots of information in Portuguese about him. So that's basically who this guy is, and that's what he looks like. And there's some other photos of him as well. And we're here in on our street, which is Rotunda de Carlos de Maia. And what we're going to do is we're going to go around in a little circle past this flower market and just kind of see what's all around here, and just kind of pick up whatever we can pick up. Man, there's like kind of bugs around here as well. Okay. We also have another market right here, so we might tap into that briefly as we check this whole area out. And we're also going to go over into that space as well. And I'm going to go down that other road slightly because I saw an alley that looks kind of interesting as well. So let's start going this way first. I'm just going to take a look like that. I'm going to go down it briefly. This is actually a different street. It's going to tap in, and I think what I'm going to do is just try to go through. When I see a spot that I can go through, there's one right here. So I'm just going to go through like that. Flower market. Kind of cool music. Key kiosk right there. So, okay. So we're going to go into a circle in a moment. But since the Rotunda is one of the main spots, I think we'll go into there first. I'm just gonna come on in. This is kind of our Rotunda. And actually, I used to have kind of there's a screen right there. There's a big TV screen. So we're gonna just kind of take a look in here. Rotunda, Carlos de Maia. Yeah, Carlos de Maia. And the evening is to light up a little bit as well. Got some dancing in that area. Way over there is Mong Ha, way up in the mountains in that direction. That's our market, directly down that way. And then over here is Restaurant. So you kind of see, I think that's the Restaurant right there, that street right there. And then that's kind of a cool little space like that. Okay. So what we're gonna do is that's her street right there, Carlos de Maia, Rotunda de Carlos de Maia. And we're just gonna walk right into this. That's actually a pretty cool spot right there. Actually, a really cool spot. I don't know if you see me film enough, you probably see me film the Indo market because I'll go over there and get this certain juice that I like. And we're gonna walk across over in this direction here. Kind of cool over there, stuff like that. Okay. We're just going to keep on walking around the circle like this, kind of going The cars go around this direction, so we'll kind of go in their direction. I like these tiles like that. Okay. You can kind of see our target area. We got these nice black and white tiles everywhere too. And we're almost back at our circle again. And we're just gonna go briefly down this way. It's kind of interesting. We also got some Myanmar Burmese, so you got some Burmese writing. So there's a lot of Burmese restaurants in this area as well. A lot of that cuisine that's really similar to what you'd eat in Macau anyways. But I think there are some special Burmese specialties as well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go across this way in a moment, and we're gonna come back at Rotunda in a moment as well. Okay. So that's our target area directly down that way. And what I'm gonna try to do is we're gonna go back into that spot in a moment. And what we're gonna do before we do is we're going to come down this little alley right in here. I just kind of want to check it out. I saw it before, and sometimes they have these little what do you call these? You just have little quirky stuff sometimes in these places, like a tailor shop here. And we're just gonna go all the way through it, and then we're gonna come back towards the Rotunda. Even tailors, there's like kind of a tailor shop. That's a really nice artwork in there. The artwork is amazing. Jade. You would not buy jade unless you know what you're doing. I bought some jade once, but then I overpaid. I didn't really know it. But I bought it in Zhuhai though, so I don't know, maybe it's different in Macau? I'm not sure. Okay, so now we're at this little alleyway. It's gonna come through this way real quick. Oh, this is actually part of Mother Teresa. So actually I filmed Mother Teresa Street earlier, all the way down that way, and I didn't realize, I went through this alley and I didn't realize that it also came all the way down to here. Kind of a cool space though. And another spot I would love to film with some nice attention is this this little patio right in here. I'll just leave it with part of the one that we're doing. But this little patio has all these tailors. So there's tailors here, there's tailors here. Taobao supermarket down that way, and then there's more tailors right here, and they also have all those tailors here too, and there's a sign for it, which is kind of a cool little space, I think. Okay, so we got a market all the way down. That market goes all the way down to the red market basically. There's pathways all the way down. And what we're gonna do is head back into the that's kind of cool right there, this black and white. So we're gonna head all the way back into the Rotunda, and then we'll come in an ending for this one. These clothings are really cheap right here. Okay, so we're just gonna come back and we're gonna go all the way into the circle part. Then we'll end our video. And the Rotunda de Carlos de Maia? Okay, so we're gonna head back in and then we're gonna end it shortly. So pretty cool little space though. We started like right over in that corner over there, so I think what we'll do is we'll just come back across it real quick. Yeah, we'll come across. That one right there says Fukien, which is kind of interesting because that's the origin of most of the Chinese Macau people come from Fukien anyways. So like the goddesses, Guan Yin I believe, and like seafaring goddesses. So that all originated right in this space. So we're going to come back, and then we're going to come to the conclusion right here, I think. That will end our video. There we go. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.